असली मुजरिम मैं हूँ। आई एम द रियल कल्प्रिट। आई एम द रियल कल्प्रिट। मुझे नहीं लगता तुम्हें इससे फर्क पड़ता है। आई डोंट थिंक इट मैटर्स टू यू। आई डोंट थिंक इट मैटर्स टू यू। खा रहा हूँ। कई बार होता है ना, हमसे कोई पूछता है कि क्या कर रहे हो, तो हम बोलते हैं खा रहे हैं, खा रहा हूँ, मैं कुछ खा रहा हूँ। सो यहाँ पे इसका आंसर है आई एम हैविंग राइट नाउ। यहाँ पे देखिए, हिंदी में सेंटेंस काफी छोटा है बट इंग्लिश में वो काफी बड़ा है सेंटेंस। आई एम हैविंग राइट नाउ, मैं अभी खा रहा हूँ। सो खा रहा हूँ, आई एम हैविंग राइट नाउ। मैं इसे पीटना चाहता हूँ। आई वॉन्ट टू बीट हिम अप। आई वॉन्ट टू बीट हिम अप। तुम इतना नीचे कैसे गिर सकते हो? हाउ कैन यू स्टूप सो लो? हाउ कैन यू स्टूप सो लो? घर जाओ। यू बेटर गो होम। कब आई थी वो? When did she come? When did she come? तुम्हें दिख नहीं रहा वो है? Can't you see how they are talking? Can't you see how they are talking? अब मेरी बात सुन। कोई लड़की तुम्हें कभी प्यार नहीं कर सकती। Now listen to me. No girl can ever fall in love with you. Now listen to me. No girl can ever fall in love with you. उसकी उम्र शादी के लायक है। She is of marriageable age. She is of marriageable age. ऐसी बात मत कहो, रीना की शादी जरूर होगी। Don't say such things. Reena's marriage will surely take place. Don't say such things. Reena's marriage will surely take place. तेरी जिंदगी मेरे लिए अनमोल है। Your life is priceless for me. Your life is priceless for me. मजाक कर रहा था। तू क्यों बुरा मान रहा है? I was just jesting. Why are you feeling bad? I was just jesting. आपने कई बार यहाँ पे kidding वर्ड सुना होगा पहले। I was just kidding. आप kidding की जगह पे jesting यूज करिएगा। I was just jesting. Why are you feeling bad? तुम्हें क्यों बुरा लग रहा है? तमाशा मत बनाओ। Don't create a scene. Don't create a scene. ये सब खाना किसके लिए है? Who's all that food for? Who's all that food for? याद करो तुमने छत पे क्या कहा था? Remember what you said on the roof. Remember what you said on the roof. क्या फैसला किया आपने? What have you decided? What have you decided? मैं तुम्हारे लिए बहुत परेशान था। I was so worried about you. I was so worried about you. क्या उसे ये पसंद आया होगा? Would he have liked that? Would he have liked that? उसे ये पिलाओ। Make him drink it. Make him drink it. तू खाने के लिए तरसेगा। You will crave for food. You will crave for food. मेरा दोबारा नहाने का मन कर रहा है। I feel like taking a bath again. I feel like taking a bath again. तुमने जरूर कुछ किया होगा। You must have done something. You must have done something. पूरे 10 लाख है। चाहो तो गिन लो। It's total 1 million. Count it if you like. It's total 1 million. Count it if you like. Excuse me, क्या ये सीट खाली है? Excuse me, is this seat taken? Excuse me, is this seat taken? हम यहाँ पे सीट के साथ टेकन का वर्ड यूज करेंगे, खाली के लिए एम्प्टी नहीं लगाएंगे यहाँ पे, ठीक है? एक्सक्यूज मी, इज दिस सीट एम्प्टी, ये गलत हो जाएगा, ऐसे नहीं बोलना है। एक्सक्यूज मी, इज दिस सीट टेकन, कि क्या ये सीट किसी ने ली हुई है, कोई बैठा है इस पे? तुम्हारी जानकारी के बिना वह तुम्हारे कमरे में कैसे घुसी? How did she enter your room without your knowledge? How did she enter your room without your knowledge? इससे तुम्हारा क्या मतलब है? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? इतनी जल्दी में कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going in such a hurry? Where are you going in such a hurry? तुम मेरे बारे में क्या महसूस करती हो? How do you feel about me? How do you feel about me? तुमने बहुत बेइज्जती कर ली मेरी. You have humiliated me a lot. You have humiliated me a lot. You have humiliated me a lot. पुलिस भी इसमें मिली हुई है. Even the police are involved in this. Even the police are involved in this. पापा घर पर हैं? Is father at home? Is father at home? वह बहुत अच्छी है. जिस किसी के घर जाएगी वह बहुत खुश रहेगा. She is very nice. Whoever's house she goes to will be very happy. She is very nice. Whoever's house she goes to will be very happy. मैं उनका विश्वास नहीं तोड़ सकता. I can't break his trust. I can't break his trust. अगर मैंने ये अपने पापा को बताया तो उन्हें हार्ट अटैक आ जाएगा. If I tell this to my father, he will have a heart attack. If I tell this to my father, he will have a heart attack. लेकिन तुम्हारी वजह से सब कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया. But everything messed up because of you. But everything messed up because of you. कुछ तुम्हें चाहिए, ये तुम्हें लाकर दे देगा. He will get for you whatever you want. He will get for you whatever you want. उसे गलतफहमी है. He has a misconception. He has a misconception. देखो, वह वही कमीना है जिसने मुझे उस दिन पीटा था. Look, he is that scoundrel who bashed me that day. Look, he is that same scoundrel who bashed me that day. यह तेरा भाई लाया है तेरे लिए. Your brother has bought this for you. Your brother has bought this for you. लगता है आप आदमियों को बहुत अच्छे से जानती हैं. Looks like you know men very well. Looks like you know men very well. क्या तुम देख नहीं सकते कि तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Can't you watch where you are going? Can't you watch where you are going? मोहल्ले से निकलवाना है क्या? Do you want us to be thrown out of the neighborhood? Do you want us to be thrown out of the neighborhood? अपने सीट पर जाओ और काम करो. Go to your seat and work. Go to your seat and work. अब सब कुछ तुम्हारे हाथ में है. It's all in your hands now. It's all in your hands now. तुम दोनों इतने चुप क्यों हो? Why are you both so silent? Why are you both so silent? मैंने कहा तुम्हें मेरा पीछा मत करो. I told you not to follow me. I told you not to follow me. तुम मुझे यह अब बता रहे हो. You are telling me about it now. You are telling me about it now. मैं पहले कुछ नहीं कर सकता था. I couldn't do anything earlier. I couldn't do anything earlier. जब आपकी शादी हुई तो ये अरेंज्ड मैरिज थी या लव मैरिज? When you got married, was it an arranged marriage or a love marriage? When you got married, was it an arranged marriage or a love marriage? लेकिन मैं जानता हूं अगर मैं उसके साथ रहा तो ना तो वो खुश रहेगी, वह खुश रहेगी और ना मैं. But I know that if I stay with her, either she nor I will be happy. But I know that if I stay with her, neither she nor I will be happy. मैंने अंदाजा लगाया. I just made a guess. I just made a guess. कौन से पैसों की बात कर रहे हो? What money are you talking about? What money are you talking about? मुझे पता था तू खुश होगा. I knew you would be happy. I knew you would be happy. मैं तुम्हें इस तरह नहीं देख सकता. I can't see you like this. I can't see you like this. तुम चिंता मत करो, तुम्हारा खून बेकार नहीं जाएगा. You don't worry, your blood won't go waste. You don't worry, your blood won't go waste. चलेगा. It will do. It will do. अन्याय नहीं सहा जाएगा. Injustice won't be tolerated. Injustice won't be tolerated. जल्दी करो, नहीं तो तुम्हें देर हो जाएगी. Hurry up or you will be late. Hurry up or you will be late. अब हर खिलाड़ी आगे आएगा और अपना परिचय देगा. Now each player will step forward and introduce himself. Now each player will step forward and introduce himself. मैं तुमसे भीख मांगता हूँ. I am begging you. I am begging you. वह वहाँ है. She's there. She's there. क्या कर रहे हैं आप? What are you up to? What are you up to? ये हमारे दिमाग में छप गया है. मैं उन्हें नींद में भी पहचान सकता हूँ. It's imprinted in my mind. Even in my sleep, I can recognize them. It's imprinted in my mind. Even in my sleep, I can recognize them. मैंने क्या छुपाया है? What have I hidden? Have I hidden? और बदले में उसने मुझे क्या दिया? And what did she give me in return? And what did she give me in return? बताओ मुझे डॉक्टर ने क्या कहा? Tell me what the doctor said. Tell me what the doctor said. मुझे ठंड जल्दी लग जाती है. I catch cold easily. I catch cold easily. कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? घर में सब तुम्हारे बारे में पूछ रहे थे. Everyone at home was asking about you. Everyone at home was asking about you. किसी को इस तरफ मत आने देना. Don't let anyone come this side. Don't let anyone come this side. आप मुझे ये क्यों बता रही हैं? Why are you telling me this? Why are you telling me this? अगर तुम दोनों प्राइवेट में बात करना चाहते हो तो तुम अकेले बैठ सकते हो. If you both want to talk in private, you can sit alone. If you both want to talk in private, you can sit alone. मेरी वजह से तुम लोगों को परेशानी हो रही है. Because of me, you people are being troubled. Because of me, you people are being troubled. तुम्हें सोच रहे हैं और क्या? Thinking of you, what else? Thinking of you, what else? इतना टुच्चा काम. Such a measly job. Such a measly job. चुप रहो, मुझे शांति से मूवी देखने दो. Keep quiet. Let me watch the movie peacefully. Keep quiet. Let me watch the movie peacefully. क्या तेरे बाप का नाम लिखा है? Is your father's name written on it? Is your father's name written on it? किसने मारा मुझे? Who hit me? Who hit me? Changing room कहाँ है? Where is the changing room? 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 Where is the changing room तू उन्हें वहां क्यों नहीं रखता? Why don't you keep them there? Why don't you keep them there? अदरक और इलायची भी डालना. Also add ginger and cardamom. Also add ginger and cardamom. रो मत, मैं वापस आ रहा हूँ. Don't cry, I'm coming back. Don't cry, I'm coming back. एक बार समझाने पर समझ में नहीं आता है क्या? Don't you understand once explained? Don't you understand once explained? वह सुबह से मुझे 10 बार बता चुका है. He has told me 10 times since morning. He has told me 10 times since morning. तुम यहाँ कैसे? How come you are here? How come you are here? ताकि कोई हम पर शक न करे. So that no one suspects us. So that no one suspects us. क्या हो जाएगा अगर तू मुझसे 2 मिनट बात कर लेगी? What will happen if you talk to me for 2 minutes? What will happen if you talk to me for 2 minutes? मैं तेरे घर गया था, वहां से पता चला कि तू यहाँ है. I had been to your house. From there I came to know that you are here. I had been to your house. From there I came to know that you are here. तुम दोनों यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you both doing here? What are you both doing here? मैंने अपना मैथ का होमवर्क नहीं किया था. I hadn't done my math homework. I hadn't done my maths homework. पता नहीं मुझे ये कहना चाहिए या नहीं. I don't know whether I should say this or not. I don't know whether I should say this or not. मैं बस जा ही रहा था. I was just leaving. I was just leaving. यह मैं अपने लिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I'm not doing this for myself. I am not doing this for myself. मैं किसी से नहीं डरता. I am not scared of anyone. I am not scared of anyone. नहीं, मैं रीना से अब और झूठ नहीं बोल सकता. No, I can't lie to Reena anymore. No, I can't lie to Reena anymore. तुझे क्या हो गया? What happened to you? What happened to you? मैं जॉब छोड़ रहा हूँ. I am leaving the job. I am leaving the job. तुम्हें कैसे पता कि वह यहाँ था? How did you know he was here? How did you know he was here?